What's up, Precision family? We're here. We're gonna go into the tunnel again. So we did that yesterday. We're trying it again. This time we invited a couple more friends over. So it was fun. I'm not bringing the TT today because I'm replacing some sensors on the car. So I decided to leave it at home today. But we had the Stinger today. We got Paul, the wheel. What's up, guys? And then back there we got Guillermo. And then we got David.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, so we're just gonna go on we got a spot there. We're gonna hang out with the other guys, and then we're gonna drive to the tunnel. So yeah, we also got the Pro going out there. You guys can see. So yeah, stay tuned. And there's the gato. Woo! Hanging out with the boys today. We got the gato over there. We got our wagon, and then we got Superior over there. We're gonna go to the tunnel. We're gonna go and test it at the tunnel. We've been trying to do the tunnel for a while, so finally everybody had a day today. So let's go check it out, see how it is, and yeah, we're gonna go over there and have some fun.
What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband. Tell me what's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband. She hit me up like what you need. I got houses in the trees. I got shit you never think that people ever really see. Hit me up like what you need. I got houses in the trees. I got shit you never think that people ever really see. Yeah. Now I got hoes, I got 20,000 freaks, yeah.
Alright, we're here. There you go. So we got the Precision CC car. We got Fast Gato car. We got Superior's car. What's up, man?
What's going on? What's going on? What's good? What's good? What's good?
Good. Yeah, go follow this guy. Go look at his videos. What's up, man? That's it. That's it. There you go. There's the Superior. Look at that. And then of course we got the wagon. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? How was the trip?
Oh, it was awesome. Wasn't it awesome up here?
Oh heck yeah, I love it. I love the temperature too, man. It's nice. It's cool.
Okay, he thinks it's really awesome too.
Yeah, you think it's cool? Yeah. He's like, yeah, I'll take a nap. There it is. Show you guys. And there's the tunnel over there. I'm gonna flip it. Over there. Probably gonna go do a couple runs in there, see how it sounds. But yeah, we're excited to try this. across the tunnel already. That sounded crazy. Look at this over here. These guys are. Look at that, the rope. Hey, so how was it? How was it? Tell us.
What was that new with your Earth Guardian? Follow me.
How was it?
Man, y'all shit's loud. You need to put your shit on. You need to put your shit on. You gonna kill somebody.
Yeah, was it good though? Yeah.
I heard yours. Yours sounded good.
Yeah.
But I didn't hear Fast got
I didn't see. I seen yours, but there was somebody in front of you or something.
Yeah,
Like,
there was like a little Miata that caught in front of me, so I couldn't go faster. Yeah.
Because I heard yours, but I didn't hear Fast got because the car came, so I waited for the car. 'Cause
Oh,
I
I
didn't want
see.
the car to be in the waiting.
You heard my turbo there.
I heard Drake.
Oh, did you?
He got pretty Drake turbo.
Yeah, I heard
'Cause
that
he's
whole
used to
switcher.
it.
That whole switch. That was.
Like that.
You hear that shit?
That sound good on the bit. Yeah, I heard the exhaust in a bit, but I didn't hear his because I had to wait for so long because the car came.
Yeah, I seen because he had a long ass waiting period before somebody had came.
I see.
When he did his.
Yeah, that was fun. Definitely need to do it again. We need to bring everybody out here. You know what I mean?
No, right?
Yeah. That's it. That's it. Hey, who's gonna do those for you?
I don't know. Some guy in the he lives in Baghdad, I think. Precision AZ Wraps. He does all my tire letters. It takes me like 5 hours to get there.
Hey, but yeah, right. Yeah. Hey, but you know, I work on all these cars now, huh?
You do. Good network.
That's it.
It's all about network.
That's it. Yeah, no, we're good. We're growing together.
He had his windows up earlier. I got to get him. I know I always put your Instagram. Oh, look, he even got the precision. Hey, man, I've been asking for a
Hey,
precision sticker.
you're gonna get yours. You're gonna get yours. It's coming. I ordered in the mail. Just kidding. No, we're gonna get yours. Where do you want it? Tell me where you want it.
Right here it looks like.
Where do you want it? Right there? Where do you want it? Just tell me. I'll make you one.
That's probably
Right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. I don't like to make it too big. What color? Right? White. What color do you want?
I think white.
White. Okay.
That way yours stands out against the red.
Okay.
Like
Do
that. That white pops.
All right.
Like white on this car is
Yeah. So I'll do white. I'll do the reflector white.
like my Instagram logo.
Yep. Yeah.
That's holographic.
Yeah. Mine is the ones that you like when the light hits it. It's like just glows. You know.
Yeah.
So we'll do that. How about that?
I like it.
How was the tunnel? Was it a good idea or what?
The tunnel was awesome.
Yeah.
I know we've been talking about this for a while.
For a while. Yep.
So, I was excited to come, but everybody's schedule doesn't always work at the same time.
Right. Yeah.
But it was a great time. It was a lot of fun, and I appreciate you inviting me.
Yeah. No, of course.
So,
we.
It's always a good time when it's cars and cold air.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Get cars and coffee. It's cars and cold air.
Cars and cars and ice cream.
This is boost weather.
Right. That's it. That's it. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I heard a little pop off coming down the highway.
You heard it?
I kept looking around. I'm like,
Like, what is that? Yeah. What is that little whistle?
Like popping off, man.
That tone really carries when it lets off.
Yeah.
You can hear it right through yours
Oh
and
my gosh,
everything.
dude.
You just hear that thing.
I feel like a bullet going by. It's like.
It sounds badass.
Well, I'm glad I can't hear any of that, so that makes me happy that you guys enjoy my
We
something
do it.
my
different.
blow-up valve.
Nice.
Yeah.
No, we definitely enjoy it.
That's good.
That's nice because you get both those sounds. You
Yeah.
get
Right.
yours in, you got the best of both.
This is the only whining I like to hear.
Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Big old turbocharge, supercharge. Yeah, those guys are crazy, dude. Let's start with this car right here. We have, the Hellcat right here, and so the owner, name is Rob. So, what's up, Robert?
How you doing, man?
What's going on, man?
Good. Yeah, just thanks to AZ Precision Wraps, man. Came through the tunnel today. It's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, you enjoy it?
I loved it, man. Any tunnel's a good tunnel, right?
That's awesome. Yeah, that's right. So,
Yeah, man.
he got his Hellcat here. Is hanging out with us today. Went through a tunnel. He really liked it. And so what is your Instagram, man? So people can follow you.
At Great Hunter 88088.
Perfect. Yeah, so we'll put the link below so that way you guys can go and follow him. And and go and check out his rides. He has a Raptor too, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so go check out that Raptor. It's pretty sick. So Yeah, make sure you guys do that. All right. Thank you, Robert. Appreciate it, man. Next one, we got so what's going on, bro? How was the tunnel?
It was pretty good, bro.
Yeah?
Pretty
Did
dope.
you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Okay, so why are we driving here? Talk to me about your car.
Arrow, SS, 2SS.
Okay.
2016.
Okay.
Still stock. I'm just doing it for looks right now.
Okay,
But car parts are coming in soon.
that's good. It's always good to modify your car, right?
Yes, sir.
So how was the tunnel?
It was pretty dope. I
Yeah?
liked it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? And crazy, but look at the view on this thing. It's awesome. So Instagram, YouTube.
It's, Instagram slow with 2 W's underscore 2SS.
Okay, cool. So yeah, go and follow him. Go and check out his build. Obviously, he's starting, but so far it's looking pretty sick. Who got here over here, my man?
Big 45 guy.
So what's going on, man? How was the tunnel?
was
How was the
great.
experience?
It was great.
Yeah?
It's the first time we bringing the RT through that tunnel.
Okay. So did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome, man. So there it is. You guys know this guy already, so just go and follow him. You know, go and check out his car. He got a lot of big plans for it. He was telling me. I can't tell you guys, but a lot more to come, that's for sure.
Yes, sir.
Right on. And last but not, no, we still have 2 more. What's going on, man?
Hey, it's Robert. My Instagram is going to be Robert SS underscore 6.2. It's my 2011 Camaro.
Okay.
Right now, it only has his long tubes, but tomorrow's going to get a full bolt on.
Okay.
But this experience was really good, man.
Yeah?
I liked the tunnel. It was really fun. This is my first cruise, so
That's good,
really
man.
awesome.
Well,
Hope to come more.
I'm glad you guys stopped by, man. I mean, yeah, your car looks sick and sounds
Thank you.
good.
Thank you.
Like you'll see in the video, and you know, that we record you, you'll see that it sounds great, man. So
Thank you.
yeah. All right, so you guys go and follow him. Go and check out his Instagram or whatever, and yeah, go and check out his build.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. And last but not least, right here. We got the Hellcat. Dre the Dad. It's a good friend of us. We always hang out with him. We always go to car meets together and everything. But let's go and talk to him. See how was the experience. And I was looking for that man. What's going on, man?
Here I am.
All right. So how was the experience?
Oh, I love it, bro.
Yeah.
I love tunnels.
Yeah.
And I just like hearing my car in the tunnel. you know
Right?
what I mean?
It sounds so crazy,
Yeah, that's
dude.
why I had to spin around and do it again.
You have to do it twice at
First
least,
time,
right?
Yeah, the first wasn't enough. So I'm ready to do it again.
There
too,
you go.
know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
I just like this drive, man. This drive is
Right?
great.
It was worth it, right? Like look, it's just like I told you guys, the view over here is nice, man. Because over there we're all flat, and then you come over here and it's like all mountains and rocks and all this.
Yeah,
You
it's
know?
beautiful out here, man. Appreciate you inviting me.
Yeah,
out,
man, for sure. You know, we always got you, man. So yeah, we already took a video of your car and everything. Go,
Oh,
but
yeah.
go follow this guy. His
Yeah, Dre the
YouTube.
Dad, YouTube and Instagram. Dre the Dad, check me out.
Go check him out. Great content over there. Right on. Well, I think there's Guillermo. Guillermo, Instagram.
BNC Media.
BNC Media, got it. All right, so go and follow him. He takes amazing videos, amazing pictures. He's my dude when it comes to the video editing, the pictures and everything. So go and check out his work. His work is amazing. So yeah, we appreciate you guys watching, and I think we're gonna wrap it up. So appreciate you guys stopping by, watching our video, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Have a good day.